Okay, the problem is that we have two blocks. One block has got a mass 3m and the other one has a mass m. The one that has a mass of 3m is Q, and the one with mass m is identified as P. Then there is a force F that is being applied on the object Q. The objects are in contact and they are moving together with the same acceleration. So we are going to use Newton's second law. Mathematically is represented as this: F net is equal to mass times acceleration. But when we look at the net force on object Q, we can see that there is force F there being applied. We can call it the applied force. Then the object P also exerts a force on Q, which is also equal and directly opposite to the one that Q exerts on P, right? And that is the force in question. The question says calculate the magnitude of the force P exerted on Q in terms of F. Okay, all right. So what that means is we are going to see what F net is made up of. It's made up of the applied force and the force that P exerts on Q. Okay, so that is what F net is equal to, and we are saying this F net is equal to mass of object Q times its acceleration. So we can now make the force that P exerts on Q the subject of formula. In other words, we are just focusing on this part of the equation. Okay, all right, so let's make the force exerted by P on Q the subject of formula. Is going to be Fp on Q equal to the mass times acceleration minus Fa. Right, remember the mass of object Q is actually 3m, so we can substitute 3m there times the acceleration minus Fa. So that becomes our answer: force by P on Q. All right, so that is our answer there.